I've been exploring the Bricks website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what Bricks website builder actually offers. Bricks is a powerful visual builder made for WordPress that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. Unlike most builders that sit on top of a theme, Bricks is the theme. This means faster performance, cleaner code, and seamless full-site editing, all from the header to the footer. The platform is designed for developers and creatives alike, with visual drag and drop control, yet deep flexibility for those who want to build dynamic, data-driven websites. Now, let's explore what makes it shine. Bricks combines a smooth, lightning-fast interface with an incredible degree of flexibility. You can build entire templates visually, apply conditional logic, and manage complex layouts without needing third-party plugins. The Query Loop Builder is one of its standout features. It lets you display custom lists of posts, products, or any content type with dynamic filtering. The integration with ACF, Metabox, and WooCommerce is fully native. Plus, the global styles and reusable components make it perfect for teams or agencies keeping consistent design systems across pages. Performance-wise, it's coded efficiently and produces lightweight outputs, which helps with SEO and speed. With that said, it's not flawless. Bricks has a bit of a learning curve, especially for beginners unfamiliar with WordPress structure or CSS classes. The template library is still smaller than what you'd find in Elementor or Divi, and while support is active, it's more community-driven than traditional help desk style. Overall, Bricks Website Builder is an advanced, developer-friendly tool that delivers real design freedom without sacrificing speed or precision. It's ideal for professionals who love full control, and for those willing to invest the time. The results are simply exceptional. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.